Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 2nd May 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, destruction is definitely fixed in this drama. You have to become Karmatit before destruction takes place. Question. Which words, spoken by the Father, attract you a great deal when you are in front of Him in person? Answer. When you are in front of the Father in person, and He says the words, "You are my children," it attracts you a great deal. You enjoy it very much when you hear this personally. Madhuban attracts all the children because it is God's family here. This is the gathering of Brahmins. Brahmins only exchange this knowledge with each other. Song is, Our pilgrimage is unique. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become a helper by doing spiritual service with your body, mind and wealth. Give everyone the introduction to Alpha and enable them to have the right to claim their inheritance. Stay in remembrance of the Father in order to become Karmatit before destruction takes place. Number 2. Become a conqueror of attachment like the Father. Remove any attachments the soul has to other souls and have love for the one Father. Blessing for today. May you be loving to God and chase away all problems by remaining aware of the company of the Almighty Authority. Details are: the children who are loving to God constantly keep the one they love with them, and this is why no problem comes in front of them. Problems cannot stay in front of those who have the Almighty Authority Father with them. When problems arise, finish them there and then, and they won't increase. Now, have birth control over problems. Constantly remember that you have to bring completion close and chase away problems from a distance. Slogan is, do not make effort to be loving, but make effort to be detached, and you will automatically be loved. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. From time to time, many types of obstacles come, such as when a good special student comes under the influence of Maya and becomes anti and creates a disturbance in service. At such times, you do not become afraid, do you? It is one thing to have mercy for them with benevolent feelings, but to come into fluctuation because of that or to have waste thoughts is called being shaken. Those who observe the part of every soul with the stage of a detached observer can stay unshakable, immovable and constant. Om Shanti.